begin today in reclined butterfly pose, knees falling gently open. Rest the hands by your sides, letting the shoulders soften and the chest open. Take a deep breath in, feeling the ribs expand. And exhale, melting a little deeper into the mat. Draw the knees into the chest, hugging them softly. Rock from side to side, feeling the spine awaken. Hug the right knee in and wrap it over the left leg. Shift the hips to the right and drop into a twist. Arms are out wide. Breathe here, letting the spine and torso release. Draw the legs back into center, hugging both knees to chest for a moment, and then twist to the other side. Left leg wraps over the right. Hug the knees back in. Extend the legs straight up now. Upper body rises, arms are hovering, and hold here. Lower the torso down. Plant the feet for bridge pose. Press through the heels. Hips lift. Interlace the fingers beneath you. And release, letting the hips lower down. Hug the knees in, and then rock yourself up to tabletop. Extend the right leg behind you, reaching it gently over to the left, and turn the gaze to the left. Return to tabletop. Inhale as you arch the spine, chest and heart forward. Exhale, round the spine, navel draws in. And return to tabletop. Extend the left leg back now, grounding through the toes as they reach to the right side. Gaze follows, creating space through the side body. Return to all fours. Slide the hands forward, lower the hips, Sphinx pose. You may rock the hips from side to side. Now lower the chest to mat, forehead resting down, arms reaching forward. Begin to lift the right leg and the left arm. Release and switch sides, lifting the left leg and right arm now. And release. Press the palms into the mat, lift the hips up and back, finding your first downward facing dog. Heels are soft, spine is long. Take a few breaths here. Slowly roll yourself forward, arriving in a strong plank. And press yourself back into down dog. Roll forward one more time, finding a high plank. And press back into down dog. Lift the right leg high, reaching it back. Make large circles with the leg, drawing space through the hip and hamstring. Slowly lower the right foot down to the mat, finding your down dog. And lift the left leg high behind you. Drawing slow, expansive circles with the leg. Return the left foot down, settling back into your down dog. And step the left foot forward between the hands, ground through the back heel as you rise into Warrior Two. Lift the left heel, pressing lightly through the ball of the foot. Lower the heel and sweep the left arm up and back, reverse warrior. Flow into extended side angle, right arm reaching overhead, left hand resting on the thigh or lightly touching the mat. Choose what feels most supportive. Begin to circle the right arm up and around, rotating the torso to face the front of the mat, arriving in Warrior One. Arms are extended, chest open. Draw the arms behind the back, interlace the fingers, opening through the chest. And hinge at the hips, folding forward, humble warrior. Let the arms stretch overhead, chest melting towards the front thigh. As you rise, release the grip of the hands and pivot to face the long edge of the mat. Step the feet wide, soften the knees, settling into goddess pose. Drawing the hands behind the back, finding reverse prayer or knuckles touching, opening across the chest. Release the grip of the hands, pivot the right foot to face the back of the mat, finding warrior two on the other side. Lift the right heel off the mat, sensing the engagement through the leg. And lower the heel as the right arm sweeps up and back. Reverse warrior. Ease into extended side angle, left arm reaching overhead. Support yourself with the right hand wherever it feels steady. Circle the left arm up and around, turning towards the back of the mat as you rise into Warrior One. Draw the arms behind the back, interlace the fingers, open the chest, and hinge forward from the hips. Humble warrior. Slowly rise, releasing the hands as you pivot open to the long edge of the mat. Step yourself into a straddle and fold forward. Let the hands find a comfortable resting place along the legs. Allow the head and neck to release and the spine to extend. Bring the hands to middle and shift your weight over to the right, bending the right knee, sliding the hips into a side lunge. Left leg is long, foot is flexed. Bring the hands to prayer or let them rest lightly on the mat. Press through the right foot, gliding the hips over to the left side, bending the left knee, extending the right leg, and position the hands in a way that feels natural for you. Pivots to face the front of the mat, arriving in a runner's lunge. Step the right foot forward and lower yourself into a toe squat, finding your balance. Rest the hands lightly on the knees or interlace them behind the back, opening the chest. Release the hands, gently lower the knees, untuck the toes, and sit back onto your heels. Spine is long, shoulders soft. Let the head tilt slowly from side to side. Now begin small circles with the head, releasing tension from the neck. Reverse the direction. And now return the head to neutral. Sweep the arms wide and overhead, palms touch. Then lower the left hand to right knee for a gentle twist. Move through center. Arms rise, palms touch, and twist to the other side. Return to center, and then rest the hands lightly on the thighs. Fold forward into child's pose, forehead resting on the mat, arms stretching alongside the body, palms facing up. Take a moment here, as long as you like, soaking in the energy of your practice today.